It's kind of funny, the stuff that I get excited about now, because this is stuff that I would not have been excited about like 18 months ago. But this right here is essentially pallet racking, but not like for pallets. It's like a smaller size. They're 18 inches deep and 24 inches deep, I believe. This kind of all goes along the lines of the like lean principles. So standardization, these are going to be the shelves we're going to buy going forward pretty much exclusively. We're replacing a whole bunch of like hodgepodge random shelves and cabinets in plant 1, and then here in plant 2 we got 3 spots on the floor marked out just behind these. Let's go look at it actually. So these 3 spots on the floor, there's one here, one here, one there. Surface grinder has to find a new home. But I think we're having a miscellaneous material shelf, another shelf which we were calling the fixture store, which is all Kanban carded items like tools, nuts, bolts, stones, all sorts of stuff that's going to be kept there. Essentially, it's like a stock room, a store for whenever I need anything at the mill or just anything in the machine area in general. So, and that's all controlled through Kanban cards. So that's going to be super exciting that all that stuff is available, no more waiting or paying for extra shipping or to get it quicker. There's a third shelf over there, which right now I don't really remember. Oh, that's for customer fixtures. So soft jaws, fixture plates, all sorts of random, basically that's stuff right here. And I'm considering, I really, really want to essentially buy some more of these and move my desk. So my desk is right there with the computer, machines all the way over there. It's kind of a trip to walk back and forth. I make that trip probably like 30 times a day, and it's getting really long. I'm considering buying wireless monitors, wireless keyboard, and wireless mouse, and mounting them on like some sort of arm on the end of the tool bench here, so that I could, in theory, have a desktop computer like over in this corner, but then if I needed to do a quick update, the screens would just be duplicated to right here, so I could just turn around while at the machine, make an update, real quick post something, take notes. So that's something over there that might have to do with this style of shelves in the future. I think it took like 18 weeks to get these shelves. They blame supply chain issues or whatever, but no. I also think that people do like, this is a philosophy that comes from a book called The Magic of Thinking Big, but I think that people do A+ work in an A+ environment, and this is sort of that, to eliminate those hodgepodge shelves in plant 1. It just makes everything look nicer, feel more professional. I just think people are going to be able to stay more focused when the area around them isn't like physically cluttered. So anyways, that's just all stuff I'm super excited about. These things, what I'm not excited about is this is like a $2,500 or $3,000 stack of shelves. That's a lot of money. That's a lot of investment, but it's about the future. It's about looking nice. It's about making this place what we want it to be. So yeah, anyways, what else about the shelves? It's got these green uprights, orange horizontals, and I think it's down here, all of this is MDF. So it's that medium density fiberboard or whatever, sort of to make every shelf. And we got lots of shelves, lots and lots of space. I think there's like 5 shelves per rack. So it's a lot of real estate to keep stuff. I know it's going to fill up fast, but we'll be able to divide our material out nicely, divide our shelves up by customer for all these fixtures and stuff. It's going to be great. So anyways, that's us here trying to stay creative. Yeah, I say you go get creative for the week, and I'm going to make some parts.